Hi, Olayinka Oremade is my name. I'm a businesswoman with 17 years experience in consumable item business. Over the years, I have successfully helped a lot of entrepreneurs, newbies, sit-back-home moms, undergraduates, and those that doesn't even know the type of business to diversify into. I have helped them to get a business started and well-rooted. I knew the struggle and the challenge that one can actually encounter in the course of starting a business in the first 2 years, and that's built our platform named Business Builders. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'll be providing videos that can help you make the best business investment decisions, that can enable you to also know the secret clues that is attached to these different businesses. I also provide videos that can help you optimize your sales in terms of the online marketing strategies to use. I also have here motivational business videos and also a little about me and my entire family. Look, in order for you to be able to have access to my videos every 3 days in a week, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I need you to kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you can always have access to my videos whenever they are dropped. You can't afford to miss any one of them. And in case you know somebody that is so confused and doesn't know how to navigate in the first 2 years of getting their business started, or peradventure they need information about how to get started and moving in the course of their business journey, then kindly share this channel with them and they will be glad you have done this great thing for them. So subscribe right away, click on the notification button, and see you inside. Thank you.